Imagine a battlefield where technology surpasses mere defense, becoming a seamless blend of power, precision, and innovation. In an era where the tools of battle are no longer just machines, they are masterpieces of engineering, designed to dominate, protect, and outmaneuver any threat. What if I told you that the vehicles you'll see today aren't just armored behemoths, but revolutionary designs that could redefine the future of military engagements? Get ready to uncover 15 most incredible armored vehicles that don't just meet the demands of modern warfare, but exceed them in ways you never thought possible. Kicking off our list is the Rheinmetall and Lockheed Martin Global Mobile Artillery Rocket System GMLRS. This isn't just another missile launcher. It's a monumental leap forward in mobile missile artillery technology. Mounted on the adaptable HX truck platform, GMLRS combines unparalleled mobility with operational flexibility. It's designed for rapid deployment and features a dual-pod rocket launcher along with a sophisticated fire control system, ensuring precision strikes under diverse conditions, day or night. Weighing under 40 tons and reaching speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour over a 700-kilometer range, GMLRS is compact yet powerful, making it an indispensable asset in modern warfare. Next on the list is the Stright Storm MPV, a marvel of multi-role armored vehicle engineering. This beast is built to excel in both military and civil operations, with advanced ballistic, IED, and mine blast protection systems. Its amphibious capabilities allow it to transition effortlessly between land and water, offering unparalleled operational flexibility. With a max speed of 142 kilometers per hour on land and 35 kilometers per hour on water, this vehicle is designed to meet the most demanding mission requirements with agility and resilience, ensuring that no terrain is too challenging. Coming in at number 3, we have the Rabban APC, a versatile armored personnel carrier that is all about resilience. Built on the robust GAZ-3308 Satco 4x4 platform, this vehicle is powered by a 200-horsepower diesel engine, offering impressive performance with a top speed of kilometers per hour and a range of 1,400 kilometers. The Rabban APC is designed to provide secure transport and combat support in a variety of operational environments. With its standing Level 1 ballistic protection and MRA classification ensuring defense against small arms fire and survivability in the harshest conditions. At number 4, the Lynx Skyranger 30 takes air defense to the next level. This mobile air defense system is designed to counter current and future battlefield aerial threats. Equipped with a powerful revolver cannon and advanced sensors, the Skyranger offers exceptional firepower, capable of engaging swarming attacks and diverse airborne threats. Its modular design and future-ready capabilities, including high-energy lasers and vertically launched missiles, make it an essential asset for protecting vital assets and supporting ground forces. Halfway through our list, we introduce the IAG Armored Rescue Crane Vehicle. Designed by the International Armored Group, this vehicle is the pinnacle of rescue and recovery capabilities. With robust ballistic and blast protection, a powerful crane capable of lifting up to 13,000 kilograms, and military-grade blast attenuation seats, this vehicle is built for high-risk environments. It's a true testament to IAG's commitment to innovation and reliability, ensuring that rescue missions can be conducted safely and efficiently. Sliding in at number 6, the Panar Crab and Cockerill are the ultimate stealth warriors, combining agility with formidable firepower and advanced stealth capabilities. These vehicles are equipped with modular multi-weapon systems and AI-enhanced smart helmet technology. This ensures optimal situational awareness and operational efficiency, making the Crab and Cockerill vital assets in modern warfare, where stealth and precision are key. Lucky number 7 belongs to the Rheinmetall Mission Master CXT, a versatile and robust autonomous unmanned ground vehicle. Engineered for reconnaissance, surveillance, and tactical support, the Mission Master CXT is capable of transporting up to 1,000 kilograms of payloads over 750 kilometers without refueling. Its rugged construction and advanced mobility ensure reliability in extreme terrains, making it an essential support vehicle for military forces across the globe. At number 8, we have the Axon Marine Armored Chaser 980, setting new standards in maritime operations. Built with a durable HDP and steel hull, this vessel ensures exceptional stability and impact resistance, capable of achieving speeds up to 45 knots. with twin Mercury Verado 350 engines. The Chaser 980 offers robust protection and maneuverability in challenging weather conditions, making it an invaluable asset for maritime security and rapid response missions. Rolling in at number 9 is the Rheinmetall Fuchs Evolution, a significant leap forward in the realm of armored transport vehicles. Built on a robust 6x6 platform, the Fuchs Evolution enhances mobility, protection, and reliability with a more powerful drivetrain, digital architecture, and expanded interior space. Adaptable for diverse mission requirements, this vehicle sets a new benchmark in armored transport capability. Taking the 10th spot is the LD1 Armored ATV, a collaboration between the Armored Group and TC Burton Enterprises. This vehicle defines mobile ballistic protection, built on the Polaris Sportsman 850 chassis. It meets rigorous standards for defense against rifle rounds while maintaining speed and agility in challenging terrain. The LD1 is engineered for rapid deployment, offering flexibility and cost efficiency, prioritizing operator safety without compromising mobility. At number 11, the Incas Sentry TI stands as a formidable armored tactical intervention vehicle, featuring a vertical assault ramp system validated by elite units worldwide. The Sentry TI is tailored to specific operation requirements, ensuring robust bulletproof protection and versatility. With high suspension and armored features, this vehicle navigates diverse terrains with ease, making it a reliable choice for critical missions. Number 12 is the FNSS MAV, a vehicle that excels in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. Its unique hull design and robust water jets allow it to achieve 7 knots in water and 70 kilometers per hour on land. With ballistic and mine protection, a remote-controlled weapon station, and various missile options, the FNSS MAV is a formidable force in any amphibious assault or coastal defense scenario. Lucky 13 goes to the Stright Typhoon Mine-Resistant Ambush-Protected MRAP vehicle. This is the epitome of strength and survivability, engineered to withstand the harshest conditions. The Typhoon MRAP features V-hull technology to deflect blasts away from the crew compartment, ensuring maximum protection against IEDs, mines, and small arms fire. It is an essential tool for peacekeeping missions, convoy escorts, and direct combat engagements. At number 14, the K-21 is a next-generation infantry fighting vehicle designed to offer unparalleled protection and firepower on the battlefield. With a composite armor system, 40mm autocannon, and anti-tank guided missiles, the K-21 provides formidable firepower. Its advanced suspension system allows for smooth maneuvering in rugged terrain, while its amphibious capabilities enable it to cross rivers and lakes with ease. Finally, at number 15, we present the Combat Boat 90 HSM, a vessel that redefines speed, agility, and firepower in naval operations. With twin 900 horsepower engines and mixed-flow water jets, it exceeds speeds of 40 knots and offers a cruising range of 300 nautical miles, making it a formidable force in coastal and riverine operations. As you can see, these 15 armored vehicles are not just machines. They are the future of military strategy and defense, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern warfare. From land to sea, these marvels of engineering are designed to dominate any battlefield, ensuring those who operate them are equipped with the best technology available.